Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then we have macular dystrophy. Macular dystrophy is a type of stromal dystrophy. It is actually a type of stromal dystrophy and it occurs due to the defect in CHST6 gene defect will result in macular dystrophy. It is an autosomal recessive disorder, and here the deposits are mucopolysaccharidosis are deposited in macular dystrophy. In macular dystrophy, the deposits are mucopolysaccharidosis. And the macular dystrophy, the dystrophy looks something like this. And on examination, here it is a type of stromal dystrophy. So here the dystrophy is in the stroma. So this is macular dystrophy.
thank you and thank you for watching.